hey, it's all about the hustle, baby. So let's get into the ways of how you can make money fast right now.
I need to give me some money
right now.
And as a matter of fact, I've done some of these. I've not done all of these. And right away, let's just get into it first. Let's just start off from the basics. If you're in college, number one, obviously you want to go through your FAFSA. Then you want to see if the college offers grants. And if not, is anybody else offering grants? If you're a business owner or you're thinking about starting a business and the only thing that's holding you back is filing an LLC at your local tax office, I would file your LLC or whatever your tax professional recommends, but then ask your tax office about any local grants or any local grants in your area as far as from the state or anybody else supporting small business, stuff like that. So that's a quick way you can spend $100 and something for your LLC. And if you're a student, you might even get a student entrepreneur pass, meaning they're not going to charge you for the filing fee.
Holy shit.
So that's one way to save money and then quickly make 10 grand. So you can do this if you're in college or if you're not in college and you just want to start your business. So I would definitely consult your local tax agency. Generally, you fill out a few forms, you coordinate with a couple different agencies, and by the time you know it, you got a check for $10,000 for your business. How awesome is that? So that is just one great way getting started. Another great way of how to make money fast is an irresistible offer. Oh my goodness. So first of all, how are you going to get this offer in front of people if one, you don't have an audience? How are you going to tell people? So one way is you could literally handwrite flyers or send flyers to print from Officemax and drop them in any coffee shop, drop them in any gas station, grocery store that has those cork boards, and just put like $97 service XYZ, knowing that service is a $300 service, but you're going for a cash grab. So, hey, it's all about the hustle, baby. Go ahead, put those flyers up in grocery stores, gas stations, whatnot. Have them call you, have them give your information out. Just start doing these services for cheaper to do it by volume. You know, if you know you got something dialed in where it does not take you forever and you're like, man, all right, I can quickly do this, I can do this, I can do this, I can do 10 clients fast and make a quick 1,000.
I can do it by myself.
What? What are you waiting for? Write those flyers or send them to Officemax, Office Depot, whatever, and get them up in grocery stores and gas stations. That is a quick way of getting it done. Then post about it on social media. And to make this a compounding lethal effect, I would absolutely go and take out a market event. Hey, we're going to have a coffee shop meetup here, and I'm doing new business for this. For the people who show up, I'm going to sign you up and give you, my normal price is $500, but I'm going to sell it to the people who show up for $100. And you know what's going to happen is people are going to DM you for business, and you're going to be doing business way before the event. Okay, that's the whole psychology behind it. Plus, Facebook system will literally follow people up and remind them as it gets closer to the day of the event. And since you've turned the event into like a coffee shop meetup and you're going to save people $400 as you're starting out a new business, or you're only doing XYZ service, you're going to sell fast and you're going to make like a couple grand pretty quick.
I'm rich, biatch!
Depending on what you're selling, hopefully you're selling for at least $100, whatever you're doing. So that's the whole point, having an irresistible offer, and then how to compound your marketing effects to really get out there, reach more people, make more money, do it fast. The very next way that you can obviously make money really fast is, let's say you find like furniture sells great. Okay, so let's just say you go and you put a hold on all these pieces of furniture, right? You put a $10 deposit down on 10 pieces of furniture that you know look great, that you know will sell. Okay, then you go and you list them on Marketplace and you say, hey, look, can I come and get these on Wednesday, 2-3 days from now? And most places, thrift shops or places that sell furniture will be like, yeah, that's cool. And if they don't require a deposit, or if they do require like $10 down, then you can sell a nice piece of furniture that's like maybe $60 on the floor for like $250 or something like that, and make almost 3 times markup really fast. And so if you did that 10 times, yes, it might be a little bit of investment to put something on hold, but by compounding that with the power of just Marketplace or Craigslist, doing that will compound your effects and up your earning potential really, really, really fast to make money, okay? All depends on what you want to sell, right? So that's another way to really make money really fast. And the next way to make money really fast, you can literally jump on Etsy and jump in Canva. The point is, jump in Canva and create downloadable Canva files. Let's say you want to create everything for artists or for photographers, or you want to create templates period for one industry, maybe the marketing industry. Maybe you want to create templates for the fire department, police officers, whatever. I don't care what you want to make them for. Maybe you want to make them for spa and beauty, or maybe you want to make them for lifestyle, right? And so what you're going to do is you're going to jump into Canva and you're going to design your own post template packs for the lifestyle niche or something. And when it comes to that, then you just download them as a PNG, but you have the middles cut out of them so people can drop their photos right in there. And now when they do that, it becomes their own, then they can write their own text, whatever. So make it editable and make it a PNG, download them from Canva. Let's say you make like a post template pack, right? You do 20 of these really fast. You do it for stories, you do it for Instagram, and you make like a little kit of these, right? Then you go right over to Etsy, you create your first listing and list it for 20 cents. Now, here's where it gets good, okay? If you make 10 to 20 listings, it's only, right now I believe it's only like 20 cents per listing. You can get lifestyle, fitness, business. You can have packs. You can have 10 packs all to a different industry. You can have stories and regular posts in there, all designed really nice to where they can go and they can either edit or they can add their own text. So I wouldn't leave text on here on them. Leave it so they can add their own text, obviously, but then they can go and slide their own photos in them when they upload them in Canva because you've downloaded them in a PNG format. And then you have like a few different industries. Then you have like one mega pack in there that sells for like $20.
$20 can buy many peanuts.
Now, where this gets interesting is when you get to 10 or more listings, I would then take an ad out on what you think would be your best seller. So for your one mega pack, maybe make it $20. And then for every other little industry pack that you're selling on there, make it $1.99. Take out an ad. And the point is when people see that, you take out your most like eye-catching one. When people see that, they might not know that they want something else and they might go and buy your mega pack. Okay, or take it out on the mega pack, or take it out on the 99-cent one, or $1.97, whatever you want to price it as, because that is the power of compounding this. And then you could literally even build out more than 10. I'm just saying 10 to start at least, right? And by doing that, you can hopefully get sales and numbers and get your volume up and just start making money quick. How I would deliver with that would be, I believe I would do a Google Drive link. So in Etsy, it'll be, digital product, and then thank you, and then here's the link to download. And then they can just go and get their pack like that, and everything's good to go. Another quick way to make money fast would be going to a course marketplace. So a course marketplace is not like other course places where they just host it. A course marketplace shows your course to their marketplace, right? And everybody else's course. Now, of course, for competition, that sucks. People don't know what they want till they see it. That's why I think this has the power of more sales, because you can literally create a course in Udemy and you can post it, and with no ad spend at all, you can start seeing sales right away.
You got my money?
And they allow you to run different coupon specials. So you can do as far as if you have like a 2-hour course you created on whatever you create digitally, let's say it's just all screen record stuff, and you have only spent your time to do it, you upload it, and now you've upped your earning potential once again. So think about making a whole bunch of courses and selling them for really cheap. That is the downside with Udemy, because it does sell, while you can sell up to like $199, Udemy is best known for selling courses between $19.99 and $10. Although yes, there are some outliers in there that do sell courses for over $100 and they do get their ticket price. However, if you were to make a handful of courses, a handful of Etsy listings, like
I remember when I had my first beer.
apply for that grant, sell some furniture, marketplace, like, or whatever you want to sell by putting like simple holds on it and actually putting a deposit. So like you're not just holding, like if you don't pick it up, they just get that little $10 deposit. Like these are all really good compounding ways. Just get out there, start crushing it, start making money. And I personally, out of this whole one, I think I like the irresistible service one, because that way you can start building an in-person client list, or you can use online with those events, or you could even take out an ad and say, hey, this service offered only this time, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, you might have to create a Facebook business page, or you could take out a really cheap Google ad on that. But I mean, obviously you're going to want to know what you're doing when it comes to Google ads, but I'm just saying, There's online and offline approach to everything. And generally you start making more when you start compounding these effects. So just another reason why I do what I do for Anthony Scott Digital. I want to help you learn a high income skill set. And if you're thinking, like, okay, these are great side hustle ideas, that's great, but I actually do want to grow my brand or business, or I do want to start that business. I have some skills, but I don't have all the knowledge. So I created the course Basic to Boss, and that's to learn a high income skill set to take you from basic to boss. I do this for multiple 6 and 7 figure businesses, and I can help you too. So if you're a beginner and you don't know where to start and you want to gain confidence in a high income skill set and make a lot of money and then run a successful business on social media, this is the course for you. Or you're an existing business owner and you just want to dominate, outsell, and outreach your competitors and outgrow your social media networks, this is the course for you. This literally, when the world catch hold of this, it is going to blow up. I already know it because I created what the marketplace didn't have. Anyways, you guys are amazing. Go out, help somebody, and make money today. And go from basic to boss by checking out my course or my private free group. Later, guys. Later.
It's